Let me show me some more moves. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Okay, Micah. Wow. Okay, what else? Okay. What else do you guys can do? Whoa. Dancing all the way. What's this now? Are you wrestling now or what? Uh-oh. Okay. Micah, you can rip her shirt. No more. All right. What kind of dancing is this? Is this wrestling now? Micah, are you crazy? You just wrestling. You're not even dancing, buddy. Okay, no more. Done. That was fun. Hey, don't pull hair. Okay. Done. Say, do a bow. Do a bow. You want to do a bow? That's it. Show me. Go like this. Okay, that's it.